Sometimes when looking for the curvature of Earth, you find that it is so easy to see, so obvious that you wonder, how is it that people can look at things like this bridge here that is curved like a roller coaster and not see that Earth is a sphere flying through space? Why have millions of people gone curve blind? Well, we're going to take a look at why it is that people like me, in spite of all the space footage, the 24/7 live feeds of Earth, and all of the things in the space programs around the world, are continuing to be curve blind and continue to ignore your warnings that we see daily about sending a GoPro up high enough so that we can see the Earth is round. And trust me, or don't, you can do your own observations. There is a reason why we don't allow such footage to convince us of our reality. Because if we accept it as reality, it would totally change the face of the Earth. It would make day-to-day living very challenging, or really fun, if you want to look at it that way. And we would obviously see the curve. This movement would end overnight. There would be no more denying that Earth is round. But there is a reason that the footage we see of Earth from space changes. And it doesn't just change from slightly convex to almost flat. We have seen it change from a round ball to a concave horizon or curvizon. And it's very simple to see that there is an effect. And people tell us all the time that we are not experts in GoPro lenses and fisheye lenses and wide angle lenses, but there are lots of experiments you can do with them, and there's a reason that we are seeing or not seeing the curve. It is elusive, and when we send up private rockets, we can see the curvature of the Earth is absent, or when we do simple experiments on a small scale, you can do these over short distances with little objects like this and see that the Earth does, or that the surface does, look curved just like the bridge. And this is without refraction and zooming way in. This is with a simple iPhone and some markers on a flat surface. You can do this. Don't take my word for it. It's very easy to do. You can do it yourself. But then we have people who, in quest of finding the curve, actually do find it sometimes. Like this person here zoomed in and saw on the bottom image curvature of Earth with a lighthouse hidden behind the curve. And they were kind of bummed out, probably, or maybe starting to reconsider being curve blind, until they went back when conditions were different and saw the same lighthouse and the surrounding land and shoreline, simply because conditions had changed. That there is something in the air blocking our view and changing our reality, and we need to find out what it is and why it keeps changing.
State Park. This is from Joshua Nowicki, and what you're seeing here is a mirage. You typically would not be able to see this from the Lake Michigan shore. We talked about this last night. Conditions are right on the lake, and we're actually seeing a mirage of the Chicago skyline.